What is the problem? What is the solution? Yes, it's us. But don't you understand? It's us. Yes, we are the solution. But we are part of the issue to solve. It's us, sure, it's us. But our desire for a brighter future pales in comparison to our lazy lust. Concerned many of us are, yet careless and irresponsible most can be. Is there still a future to hope for? Is there still hope to believe in? Yes, there is. But it does not solely revolve on our discipline. It's with the help of a robot, programmed by those who listen. Presenting the one and only Operation S.C.U.M, Sewer Cleaning Unclogging Mechanism.
Now, let us delve into a short glimpse of how our robot works. Our robot aims to respond to one of our issues in our society, which is our current environmental condition that is now identified to be alarming. And one of the issues is sewage blockage. Now, think of an object that can be both unique and mind-blowing. Got an answer in mind? Well, then if so, think of a robot with that following description.
The sewage cleaning and unclogging mechanism is the best for you. Our sewer cleaning robot is the most efficient and reliable solution for keeping street sewers clean. Unlike manual methods, it operates autonomously, like when it's clear and detects there's no trash, it will turn green. But when it detects trash, it will turn red. And then when the trash bin is full, it will turn yellow.
Our robot also includes a base, along with a trash collector bin that is made out of recycled cardboard and wrapped by aluminum foil. Inside our improvised bin, the foreign object that the robot detects and picks up will remain inside that bin, and we have added a net inside of this container. Not only that, we have also added a net on our claws that has been scented with citronella oil that helps in removing pests.